What's happening? My name's Vince, that's Brandon. We're going on geocaching mission today. We got a little loop around Tahoe Mountain area. Oh yeah, Shasta's here too. And I don't know where we're walking to next. Oh, another one down the trail. It's gonna be yonder, that way. And it's called Oft Overlook. One of the least visited areas with the best views in town. Great trail system. Doesn't say anything about the cache. Hint, among the fallen. Well, there's lots of fallen trees everywhere. That's like, come on, meow. What's it say? 0.1 mile away. Some pretty good views. We're gonna get the full 360 view once we get to the ridge. We'll be able to see the lake and everything behind us. It's gonna be epic. We're gonna come to a fork up here. I can see the sign right there. We're gonna continue forward. Shasta, forward. Good girl. Up to the top of the ridge, I assume. Best view in Tahoe. I don't know, we gotta check out the sticker. We are sticker nerds around here. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got our views of the lake right now. Yeah, we've done like that whole ridge over there. Some of the coolest caches. The dynamite cache. I know there's a lot of fallen trees. It's too fresh? Yeah, it's too fresh. 15 feet. 13. 10 feet. It's a regular size, so it's gotta be like at least a peanut butter jar. Oh, it's right down there. Oh, dude, are you serious? Whoa! Somebody tricked us. Somebody stole it. That's a tricky stack. They tricked us. That was very geocache stuff. Cleaning up people's trash. 10 feet. Well, it said 10 feet like over by that tree. Ridiculous. This year. Once this year. Last time it was found before that was November 10th, 18. Oh, I think it is in there. I feel like it is in this pile. Yeah, it says it's like a very clever container. Very clever, awesome container, great camo. So I guess we're gonna go back to the original and look around. This looks like a geocache. I'm just gonna set it on this stump right here. together again so that people get distracted when they come here. So this looks like... Now that looks like a geocache. That just looks like one of the fallen. That is awesome. I think we're gonna call it a day. We got 4. That's pretty solid. 4 out of 4. Nice.
No tricky ones. No tricky ones.
No DNF redemptions. We got great views of the lake. And we got the mountain behind us. Lovely Lake Tahoe. Hashtag geocaching Tahoe. Hashtag Tahoe geocaching.
Hashtag pack your trash out.
Peace, till next time. Thanks for watching.